And we're back to HTML Canvas. Let me show you how you can create such a bouncing ball animation. It's clickable, so if I click on the canvas, the direction of the ball moves or changes in a random fashion. This is the default before clicking, so if I refresh it and then I click it, you can see it slows down or it changes the speed. We have our basic boilerplate. We'll get the canvas, create the CDX. And then we're starting this new stuff. At first, we'll get some values for a ball, the radius, the start position is in center of the canvas, and dx and dy determine the start speed. But it's only for the start, so let me make it 10. And now if I click, it changes the speed. So this is only for the first animation before anything is clicked. Let me make this 5 and -5. Next up, we'll draw the ball. There's nothing new in it. It's just begin path, then arc is used, fill style. Let me make it red, for example. And then we'll call the fill and close the path. Here's a function that sets a random value for the direction. And we'll assign this to the x and the y right here when the canvas is clicked. So this is what actually makes this ball move in random directions. The click is added to the entire canvas, so not the ball itself. Didn't want it to make it too complex, so you can click anywhere on the canvas and the direction of the ball will change in a random fashion. Afterwards we'll create the initial draw, obviously to start everything. Let's check our draw function, which is what creates the animation. We have to use clearRect so that every previously drawn ball gets erased. Then we'll call the draw ball. We use x and y and use plus for dx and dy. And the two if statements, they are needed because we have our canvas width and canvas height and the ball radius. And we want to make sure that the ball stays inside of the canvas. So we need our dx and dy values adjusted. So whenever we hit the canvas limits, it's going to get inverse to minus. So dx becomes minus dx and dy becomes minus dy. And finally, we'll request animation frame using draw. And this is why my bouncing ball animation here works. Try to recode it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.